Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your earbuds Cellularline FLICK. You have to start by press 6 times and you at your earbud, at your right earbud. So the touch area is located at the back side, right here at the top, and let me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you put your earbuds to your ears, you will hear a prompt power off. I guess I made it bad way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because we should see a red LED light. Here we go. And now I did it. Next, we need to reconnect them. Oh, and also put your earbuds to the charging case. And you can close the case. Next, go to the settings. Now, Bluetooth or connected devices. And at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Forget this device and forget device. Because right now, if I remove them from the charging case without remove them from the phone, I just try to reconnect them, but it asked me to forget this device. So let's do this. Now, if you have Android, you need to click pair new device at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS. Just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have a refresh button, tap at this button. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list, tap at your earbuds, and we reconnect them. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!